The timing for creating the celestial.
Are different and more cactuses over on the other side. Oh, I guess it probably is, huh? That scared the shit out of me, dude. Okay. Hold on, that person's walking. Oh shit.
Bitch, I got light.
Come on, babe, you're killing it.
Hey guys, we're out here
No, but
at the Magic Mountain.
No, come on. What the fuck? No, that is horrifying.
oh,
That's not supposed to go on my face.
sorry, I didn't know it went on your face. I can't control.
Hey guys, I just wanted to come on and show you guys this real quick. I'm not staying on too long because we're on the move and we got to get ready to go. But isn't this so beautiful, guys? We just got through doing a little shoot here. Let me give you a 360. In Nevada, baby. Of course, shout out We Love Colors sponsoring tights. You guys stay tuned. You'll get to see the fit. I just wanted to show you guys a little bit about and show you these. I've been wanting to visit this art installation. This is going to be moved in 2021 and I wanted to come see it before it was moved next year. So there's this colored rocks out in the middle of the desert that you go take pictures of. It's an art installation. So anyways, it won't be there much longer till next year. So I suggest get out to Nevada and go shoot at it, or you know, visit it if you like art installations and such, or just want some cute Instagrammable pictures. And also just the mountains. I mean, who doesn't love being in the valleys? All right, we're valley girls right now. All right, guys, I'm about to get off. The adventures continue. Goodbye, Magic Mountains.